Hey y'all. Okay, so look, this is me just about to make a custom made birthday dress for one of my friends. I used the top part of the pattern from Karen Gwen. I think she changed her name back to Karen Wood. But anyway, I used her pattern from Etsy. I used the top is from the mermaid gown, and then I used the bottom part from her halter top dress skirt. So I added those two together to make this little dress. And all I'm doing is just cutting it. So right here, I'm using invisible mesh, also from Etsy. I don't remember where I got it from exactly, but I know it's from Etsy. Type in illusion mesh, and it might pop up as like your top result. But yeah, that's gonna be the front part of the dress. I'm just using the same pattern. And yeah. Now this bodice I got right here, got this from Amazon. Just type in rhinestone bodice applique or rhinestone applique bodice, whatever, and you'll have a different bunch of options popping up. This is the AB color. I want to say it's about $60. I don't remember, but it was from Amazon. You can also use plain rhinestone. Now I'm just sewing the two pieces together, the front piece the mesh, the back piece the silver, and we about to get with it. Of course, I always mess up, so I have to take out some parts and redo it. That's what I'm doing right here. But yeah. So this right here is the most tedious part. I have to hand sew the applique onto the bodice. It takes forever. So I also don't charge a lot because I'm still learning and I'm still trying to improve my skills. And that's why I always tell people that I can try to make the dress because I'm still learning and I'm still practicing. Now this right here is the final result. Everything's sewn together except for the feathers. I have to glue that on and then it'll be done.